Hey, this is KYK3Y Couple, and I'm gonna show you how to play Hey So Sister by Train on the uke. So before we do this tutorial, I wanna show you my brand new uke. It's a color brand. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Yeah. And I want to show you something I won at the fair. This big wolf thing. It took me like $30 to win this. So I was like, yeah, I won. Yeah. Here we go. So there's 4 chords that you go over and over again, which is E, which is A string 2nd fret, and then G string 4th fret, and then the C string 4th fret, and then the E string 4th fret. But I do this. You can do this or that. But I basically do this. This chord is a B minor, I think. So basically it's 2nd fret, 2 bottom strings, E and A, and then the 3rd fret C string, and then the 4th fret G string. And this is, I don't know what this chord was, sorry. And this is the 4th fret. I just borrowed the whole thing. G, C, E, and A. Now as you all know, the chord A. And if you don't know, 2nd fret G string, 1st fret C string. And yeah, those are the chords. So here's the strumming. So basically it goes down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So at full speed it'll sound like this. And the regular speed. But full speed I can do this. Okay, and yeah, that's the strumming. All together it'll sound like this. Now you know how to play Hey So Sister by Train. And this is KYK3Y Couple signing off.